Understanding the power strip, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common but essential item you might find in homes and offices. The power strip. Understanding what a power strip is and how it's used can be really useful, especially if you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country. Let's get started. A power strip is a device that allows multiple electrical devices to be powered from a single electrical socket. It's a long, rectangular box with several sockets on it. Power strips are extremely useful in areas where there are fewer wall sockets, but more devices to plug in. They are commonly used to plug in things like computers, lamps, chargers, and kitchen appliances. There are various types of power strips available. Some come with basic functionality, just offering extra sockets. Others have advanced features like surge protection, which protects your devices from sudden spikes in electrical voltage. There are also power strips with built-in USB ports for charging smartphones and tablets. It's important to use power strips safely to avoid electrical hazards. Here are some key tips. Do not overload the power strip by plugging in too many high-voltage devices. Avoid daisy-chaining power strips together, which means plugging one power strip into another. Keep power strips away from water and high-temperature areas. Regularly check for any damage or wear and replace if necessary. Power strips vary around the world, mainly due to different electrical socket designs and voltage requirements. For example, the shape of the sockets on a power strip in the United States will be different from one in the United Kingdom. When traveling, it might be necessary to use an adapter or a power strip designed for the specific country. That's all about power strips. They're a simple yet crucial tool in our daily lives, providing convenience and safety for our electronic devices. We hope this video helps you understand what a power strip is and how to use it safely and effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning video.